the word after, to indicate time or sequence. After lunch, after school, after work, we can meet after lunch to discuss the project. The kids will play after school finishes. Let's go for a walk after work today, to show a sequence of events or actions. After that, right after, shortly after. After that, we decided to go for coffee. He left the office right after finishing his task. The meeting ended, and shortly after, the team went for a celebration to indicate a following condition or situation. After all, after a while, after the break. It's tough, but we'll manage after all. We will resume after a while to allow everyone a break. The class will continue after the break ends. To show cause or result, after some thought, after the decision. He made his choice after some thought and consideration. After the decision, everyone moved forward with the plan. To express time in the future, after a few days, after some time, after a year. I'll be back after a few days for follow-up work. You will understand it after some time spent practicing. The project is expected to be completed after a year.